Ang gusto kong anak. Okay, okay.
Max, 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 Max.
Mas. Manangan man.
Max, 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 Max,
Thanks.
Max, Max,
Mas.
Got gasket in there, blow the gasket
Max,
twice.
Max, Max,
Already.
Max,
Again.
By the flat. Which show? This one.
Max,
This blow gasket.
Max, Max, Max,
Exhaust gasket.
Max,
That's why it sound like that. Here.
Max, 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 Max.
Thanks very much. You did it.
What is it?
No.
You know, you have
Yum, yum.
people who are like always cracking jokes all day
It's for
long.
you, not what's for you.
That's him.
Hot?
So always him like they do this what thing I call him the what.
hot.
I'm going for that, you know.
Give me a second.
Disrespect.
Put it there.
But here in this country, they have a chance to do that sometimes.
Open,
Sometimes
please,
don't
open.
even pay attention.
Thank
You know,
you.
sometimes remind, you know. Talk like he have a voice at all. Exactly, he does.
Mm-hmm.
Him down walk you. Yeah, they
Like
was trying to
naked.
kind of, inside joke. They was messing with the door down there this weekend when
Wait.
yeah, man, I mean, the time it's been on the door, man, to go about 10, that's not the Now sometimes, you know, rude boy, if the leadership doesn't create the atmosphere, you can escalate, you know, this is something.
Like this first. I'm going to put myself down.
I'm not sure if it's early in the morning, probably it's going to be possible, I don't take it more. Are you waiting on your pause, you know, so you see everything? Step pause, go punch in and don't good morning, I just like speak in the morning. In Jamaica, I don't think you're going to have that. Morning, Mrs. Johnson, morning, boss,
Hi.
morning. If I didn't set my thing away, road boy, you know, have them hang around people. I'm hang around Jamaica and I'm hanging talk and what and I go sleep with them, just hang around the west.
See, Mama?
Play.
Eh?
I can't see it.
You can't see.
Yeah, great, honestly.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Where were the anak?
She's what?
The one out the window.
Hot? Here, put it here.
Mama, Mama,
I'll fix the AC.
let's bounce a hat.
Hold like this.
That was,
Dad, like that.
oh, the sea was sitting so long, the seas get dry.
Come. Come on. That's fine.
Hey,
That's fine, like it.
that's fine.
No, it's fine.
That's fine.
I'm fine.
What's back there? What's truck in it?
Hmm?
What's that?
Mama, Mama,
Yeah.
I think let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. Out the window.
Daddy, close the door. The window.
What?
Daddy, close the window. That's fine.
Yeah, the mark was on a different sick with you, man.
That's fine. Daddy. Yeah.
around the corner, man, maybe I'll hit you straight away. You know what I mean?
Police.
I know that they're known for that, man.
Where's the police?
It's wala
I mean,
na.
I still ain't go around the corner, you do.
The police.
Yeah, police. Police. Police.
Another one up. This coffee tastes like a cigarette, man. I said it says coffee in it.
Captain, you're done?
So what? I
Where's
said
your-
coffee in inside.
You ate already?
Inside where?
They say coffee tastes like cigarette.
Yeah, it's just sometimes it's so strong, or you know, it tastes. So it tastes more refined. You don't really expect McDonald's to give you gourmet coffee. It's all about
Here, Kyle.
What's that?
production.
Mess.
And sometimes that's better coffee, you know, because they don't bleach it and it's chemical in there and lower the acid. And,
Nine tap here
You
already.
full?
exactly.
You full? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Puppy. Mama, puppy.
The money coming from there from the wall.
Yummy?
And the way that they really spend so much money, man, it's like you wonder, man.
Yummy, yummy.
How about infrastructure and this and that?
Good for good.
Hillside don't even look like it's going anywhere, is it?
Yeah.
Here, nahulog. Yeah.
You don't want to hear the highway sound, man. Don't build the house near the highway. Like that. Yeah, they're all
Thank you. I'm good.
on that step. Look at this.
Thank you.
You not pay attention now, it's boring him. Moving to you know.
Mama, wanna close. Wanna close my eye. Thank you. Wanna close my eye. Itchy.
Well, it's skunk.
Very itchy.
I think moving too, man.
Thank you.
Can't hear it.
I love you. Thank you.
Mama.
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
I had
Mhm.
ew. Your hair?
My hair?
Yeah.
It's your fault.
Yeah.
It's your fault. It's your fault. We're here in Walmart. Walmart. Where's your shoes?
What's there?
Okay.
What is this side?
Hmm?
And her baby.
Hands dirty.
I'm gonna clean the hammy.
Wipe your mouth.
Hammy.
Your mouth too. Thank you.
Not yet.
Not yet. Wipes.
You need to get some shirt.
Huh?
So you need to get some shirt.
Me, I'm fine. I'm fine. Your anak mo lang.
Yeah, but not.
Woo! She's happy. Dance. Woo! Look at this for a baby girl.
Oh, baby girl.
Yeah. Come on this way. Huh? Teddy bear. For everyday ba? How this one? 98 cents. I want to buy this one. Huh?
Why do you want it? Right, just put that away for a minute and do it. So you go, you have a camera in everybody's face, man. Come on now.
Ang aking mag-ama. Where are you going? Come this way, my love. This way. Yeah. Hydro splash. Hydro splash. This is clearance daw. How much is this?
$3.
$10! Yay! So, bili tayo. Nak, we're going to buy this snack. For you, my love. For you.
Okay.
Oh. Here.
No, it's not.
Too much? Nag-complain na siya too much.
Too much.
Complain too much. So this one is, I like this one better. Look here. This is purple, that's brown. Okay, this one is better. What's that? Let me see. Aww. Happy.
This.
Daddy and me daw. Cool. Hila-hila niya.
Mama,
We're going to
Dollar
line
na.
up before it's 20. You know her. You know her. She like it. The price is $33. $33 something, 33 something. ang mahal ng price. What? You like that?
Oh,
Dah, $12 eh, something. $12 something. So, it's $13 din. What is it, my love? Natakot siya. What is it? Don't be scared. Come on. Come this way. Come. Dali, this way, this way. Come. That's for boy, not for baby girl. What is it? Come this way, come. Litter, litter.
it's happy, Mama.
Litter, litter.
It's happy, Mommy. Happy.
Litter when they're done.
It's happy.
Yeah, when they're done.
It's happy.
Yeah, litter lang. Oh, they're coming, coming. Litter na. When they're done, they're not done yet. Oh, look at this baby here. Hmm. Oh, come on, let's go. Go get. Ang kanyang toy daw. Toys na kailangan enjoy niya. Oh! You want this? Saan naman nagidala niya lain mo? We don't have cart lit out. Meron na kaming ganito. So, yung mga bibili yung mga ganito. Kita niya.
Maybe.
Ano ito yung? Natakot. What happened? What happened? I'm scared. Natakot. Three. Woo. Maraming mga laruan, guys. Pony?
Pony, huh?
Oh, pony.
Michael.
Wow.
Pony again.
Pony.
I hate ponies.
Hmm?
Touch up the whole store right now.
Just look. You didn't have card, that's why. Put it back, anak. Huh? Oh no, of course. We're going to buy a bigger pony, not that one. Oh, you know what? Look, it's better to buy this one. Like, how much for the pony? Hmm. Oh, right there, put it. Put it, your pocket. Put it. Your pocket is empty. Swab. Doctor.
Papa.
Yeah. The doctor.
Mom, look at these.
Oh,
Okay.
woo! Come on, let's go. Daddy.
Yeah, like a magic now.
Unicorn. Oi, careful. Where?
The lady that gave her the baby's card. The baby look so young.
Mm.
Right, look at the baby. So sit up.
Kuni. Kuni?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, for you? For baby daw, for baby.
Oh, for baby, naman.
Yeah, for you.
Ah, not for you? No, no, not for you.
Not for me, no, it's for you.
Yeah.
Mm.
You don't like those?
And then have the type. Wow. They have this
Better, come here, my love.
one they come in.
I'm going to find something for her, you know. Kasi pag mother na, kailangan meron tayong ano, mga binabasa. Kasi yung anak ko gusto niya, pag natutulog siya, gusto niya, binabasahan ko siya ng ano, story. So, naghahanap ako ng storybook. Storybook yung mga ganito. Ako ay kuripot. And super kuripot ako. Kaya, maghahanap ako ng mura. Oh man, this is $5. Sticker. Meron dito. Yung anak ko. Kasi yung anak ko gusto niya yung mga sticker. Ang mamahal ng mga bilihin guys, ay ang mamahal ng mga ano. Ang mamahal ng mga books. Pero kahit mahal, wala tayong choice. Kailangan natin bumili. Kailangan kong ano, yung ma-excite yung aking anak sa aming babasahin. Ganyan. Hindi na siya masyadong excited sa mga ganito eh. Kasi meron na siyang ganyan. Gusto ko yung number na yung 1 lang. Yan. Ang hirap maghanap. Marami naman pero kabaho pa. Kabaho. Kabaho ba sa akong nasa lubong? Grabe naman yung pabangon niya. Okay. Asan kaya ang aking nakita ko na ang aking mag-ama, nandun na sila. Ano kami ng license para next week. Mag-ano kami. Uy, magkano to? Mag-ano kami next week. Mag-fishing kami next week, guys. Are we going to pay our... What's that? What's that?
White ones.
Got a lot of worms in it.
Worms.
Dry those, though. They don't want water in there.
Oh man.
White ones.
The worms are dead. They need water. Leave it alone.
Yeah, I want to see one.
Let's see if we get so much people on the Sir.
La, come on, anak, let's go that way. We're going to buy bubbles for you. Come on. Yeah. Bubbles here.
I got blue. What a blue.
water balloon. Come. Here, the bubbles. Here. This one is good. That's good, anak. What color do you want? Pink. Okay. Here. Yeah, hold this. Ito, panigurado lang yun eh. Come this way. Is that microphone? No battery. No battery. Come on, this way. Here. Oh, don't spray. Don't spray. Come on. Bubbles. Some bubbles. It's close. This way. Come this way. Oh, this one we're going to hide this way. You have something to do. Ano to ba? Para itapon mo, guys. Itapon mo tapos susundin ng aso. This one is only $5. This one $5 only. Hoy! Gihatag sa ako. Come on. Here. Hold this. Yeah, this one. You like this one? This one? Oh. No, it's you like? Hindi siya na nagunit sa lipstick. Come on, this way. Let's go to your daddy. Yeah. Lipstick, yeah. Nag-practice na siya, guys. Practice na siya. You like that? Look! There's fish right here. Let's take idea siya. Did you catch fish yet? Look, worms. So, ayan. Oh. Wow, fish! How much the price? The fish here. $2? Wow! $2 nga, guys. $2 something.
Daddy?
Ask your daddy.
Dad,
Yeah.
play some?
Mm.
Oh!
Huh?
Gusto man ni? Ask your daddy.
Oh yeah.
$2. $2. Oh, she's coming. Yeah. Yeah, the worms. The fish coming.
You want a fishing license?
Yes.
Okay, I don't have it.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Let me see.
No.
Yum, 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 yum. Come this way, them get this way.
Appreciate it. My brother was telling me that you gotta mix up vinegar and all them things like that, beer, the soup. There's a lot of trick, you know, especially when you're catfish.
That's
Who have
baby.
experience in a certain thing.
Yeah. Well, man, you gotta make meat right.
Let's go that way.
Wow.
Buy something. Sticker for you? Sticker. Sticker. Green whistle. No. Come this way. Come here. Where are you? Come. Here. Dali, this way. Oh. Bye for your school, baby, school. No, we have balloon in the shop. We're going to buy like this. Look like this. Ah! Come in, daddy. Dada. Where are you, Dada? Yes.
I guess that was with your name, just to make sure you pay.
Wait, I don't have ID in my.
What do you mean you don't have ID?
It's in my purse.
Yeah.
Give me the key.
It's alright, I mean, when you go, if you go to Sandusky, you can get down there. You know, license. Taller than right there. Yeah, no, don't do that.
Hey, go, Chris.
Here. Dati ya. Tell your dad. Yeah. You have one already. Enough na? This way. That way. It's for baby, look.
A person.
This one. Here, look. No, don't touch that.
Huh?
Don't touch that.
Mommy,
This
what's
one.
up?
This one. It's too small for you. You like that? You like that? Pang lalaki man na siya nak. No battery? Ah, no battery. Yeah, get out, get out. Move, move. The frozen right there. Yeah. Frozen.
Yeah.
No battery. No battery. Don't touch anything.
Yeah.
Oh, it falling?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, man. You know what I... Come on this way. Let's go find for my baby anak. There, yeah. Right? Oh, no battery. Come on. Come here. No battery. Come this way. This way here. Oh. Look. What's this?
Right.
Slime.
This one. This one.
No.
This one.
Baby finger, daddy finger. Here, oh. I don't know how much. I don't know this. Drawing toy.
Bye-bye. Mommy, whoa.
Oh. I did not see that. What is it?
Mommy, this one.
No, that's not for you.
Mama. Hi. Papa.
Oh! Careful, not careful. No, you have dinosaur in the house.
No.
Remember?
Catch that.
You have
This
dinosaur.
one. This one. This one. I've never been on.
Put in your. We're not going to buy dinosaur. We have dinosaur in the house. Give me this. Put this. Put this in. Put in here. Put. This. Give me.
Mine.
Happy? Bite na. Open your mouth. Open. Ah, you eat it. Ah. No more daw na. So wala na. Nabayaran na daw yung mga bibilhin. Uy, here, Nak! What? Wow! This one for kids.
Yay! Chocolate.
Who's that?
Sack.
The fish?
And this is chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Reside.
Mm-hmm. Uy. Happy na kasing anak.
Reside.
Oh, come on, this way, this way.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Minnie Mouse. Ay, Hello Kitty.
Yay!
No, let's go. Daddy is calling. Let's go. Come on, come on. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. We'll be right back. Ah, thank you. Where's Daddy?
She lied because she knows the truth. I don't get no more beer already.
I know. So, just check. Let's check yours. Oh man. Yes, we got this. Look. You buy my lipstick.
There's in there. Put it back in the car, sweetheart.
Thank you,
Go right on
Daddy.
it. The worm's in there. I pick it up on. That gets dried out. Huh? No. Next time. All right. Yeah, I appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good time now.
All right. Yeah, tell them we're working water because it dried out.
What?
Oh, so tell them that we're working. Oh, tell them it dried out.
I will.
Yeah.
Promise.
All right. Want to ride on the car? Hold on. Straight out, no.
Sanitizer daw.
No. Oh. You want to ride in the car? You want to hold on and ride? And when you're tired, okay? Tired? And when you're tired, don't call. Tired? Keep going? And when you're come down. Come down?
No, Daddy.
No, don't take it all yet. No.
You wanna?
Don't fall. Now come this way.
Daw tayo. Just,
Don't worry, man.
huh? What? Ah. Takbo yung anak ko.
They review.
go to the yard. No, if you want, I'm gonna go to the yard. Like you come on, road water, I'm at the air conditioner store. They heat fix you. You can feel it. May call.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng car namin. Nagutom. Nagutom ang aming mahal na anak. Nagutom siya. So, naglagay na sila ng aming mga binili doon. So, nandito na kami. So, okay. Hungry anak, come on. Yeah, of course. Right tayo, guys. Okay, yan pa. Yeah. Tuwa talaga siya. Tuwa siya nabili ng kanyang toy. So, sanitizer na, come on. My love. Hand sanitizer, please. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, sanitizer. Your hand. Okay. Sanitizer kami, guys. Look this. Look that. Sanitizer. Sanitizer. Sit down in your chair. Come on, stand up.
That's not because you might have a little youth with you, know.
Boy!
Yeah.
Sweet lang, Mary.
That pup keep giving problem all morning, huh?
Give me a second. Wait.
What?
It's like this na lang. Sit like this. Okay. Come on, my love.
The days warming up.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Real fast.
Is it true that it's gonna be like summer?
Come on. Your hand, please. Wait lang. Okay, come on, let's go.
A day like today.
Yan o, may Billy.
Show what up to the best.
Hulog. Hulog.
Yeah, go, man. Sell your thing. If you want the price is right, you sell it. You want to collect a check or your money, you come back. You park up.
He's happy.
If you're happy in Jamaica, driving by the ocean side.
Yeah.
Breeze and Maryland, there's a wind. That's where I'm going to win over. All right, move your hands. Move your hand. Move your hand. Gotta fix these seals in your plate. I mean, I think we catch up with in so long. Seals around the air conditioning. It'll dissipate after a while. After a couple of days. Yeah, I think we bought it set, but we're just never gonna get down. You know what I mean? With cricket idea, man, it's hard too. It's hard.
No.
All being car fall apart because I didn't know really. Keep them, man, that's why I fix the car, man. Get through. Did you work in the car?
Yeah.
Wrong there.
That's low. No. Yeah.
It's called a first time it's called a
Yes.
You lose too much when you know things are together, you know what I mean?
Yes. Okay, no. So happy? Yeah. Good, yeah,
The license, nothing expired on the 16th, like.
16?
Yeah.
Our license, you did not.
On didn't purchase anything.
Only bigger.
It didn't, she didn't really know what's going on, so I was leaving it alone. I think when you go down to the place, that's what the bait place. Cause that's all they do is just license and fishing gear and little, baby fish.
House?
You really want to fish?
House?
If you come good, but if you not go down there,
No, you know what I was thinking?
Tree.
Okay, it's a state, right? But the more, you want to go to clinic anyway. I was going to say, they know you pinpoint your whereabouts with every transaction. Not like they're going to really know, but I mean, if they're really looking, then everything will start popping up.
Happy. Tree.
Well, in your situation, in our serious situations, it's not like they come looking up. No, it's not a problem. But I was saying that, if you're really concerned about the whereabouts thing. I don't really go look for you in New York or Florida or anything like that. Those transactions, that's like when you say a manhunt. They're looking for a credit card to hit. Gas station, something, using a credit card. Then you go on the run route while you cut off all the electronics. Different phone. No credit card transaction. No electronic, communication. Then you can move. I imagine like maybe about 500 miles away. They will make one transaction. Then all of a sudden it's a whole new crew looking for you completely. So it's not like them drive that one button route boy, just keep moving, so you're the button and they're the relay team. Fresh and ready. Not to mention, you don't even know really in these computers nowadays, which I know they are, what kind of tracking device they have. You don't know GPS system or no navigation system in there. The VIN number, there's always some device in there that can track you by. Oh, they finally tear this place down, huh? A hospital or some nursing home was over there. The landscape around it changed fast, 6 more months from now, you come at a brand new building there, man. There's a whole hospital clinic there. Sometimes we look at these like it's not but a big waste. So tear it down, they could convert it, this convert it, but when you have big money, you don't think about money. It's more cost effective for them. The faster and everything guaranteed, everything is up. Electrical, plumbing, gas line or roof, everything is up for another at least another 20 years.
You tricked me.
Dada, dada. Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
Dada, dada.
You tricked Your daddy, huh?
Dada. Daddy.
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know.
Dada. Look. Daddy saw you, Daddy.
Huh?
Look. What's that?
Dada, what is this?
What's this? Daddy, is that?
I don't know. Oh,